This is the confirmation of the prophecy given on the 28th of July 2023 by the prophet of God, Reverend E.S. Emeka, concerning curfew and chaos that will occur in Abia State, Nigeria, especially Abia City. On the 30th of May 2024, the first attack happened at a military checkpoint in Obingo, Abia State, Nigeria, where unidentified gunmen killed 5 soldiers in an ambush. This attack led to troops raiding communities and arresting residents, while others are fleeing the said community. Also, on the 28th of June 2024, gunmen killed 2 operatives at their checkpoint at Opopo Junction, Obohilapa, while conducting a stop and search routine, which led to traders in the area to run for their lives. Sadly, on 21st of July 2024, while on patrol around Ngwa Road by Moss Junction, Aba, a police officer, Inspector Shehu Oyibo, and 3 civilians caught in the crossfire sadly lost their lives. Throne of ELIYAH'S ministry, however, and its members are praying earnestly for peace to be restored in Abia State, especially Abia City. Now let's listen to the prophecy.
I'm seeing coffee. You know what coffee means? That people will get up in a particular hour and go in a particular hour. And any sign of coffee simply means crisis. Here in Abia State, especially here in Abia, is coming. Crisis. Civilians versus government in Abia. So they will declare, government will declare coffee to get up in a particular time and go to bed in a particular time. It's coming. I saw it coming. The cause of it, kidnapping of police people and killing of police people. Not what you just saw the other day. No. It's going to circulate. My prayer, because it's going to cause a lot of hardship and many people are going to be a victim that will go to jail for no just cause. Kidnapping police people, killing them, here in Abia State, Abia here precisely, is coming. So I pray that Heavenly Father will neutralize the evil thoughts, evil gathering that will cause this crisis in the name of Jesus. Celebrate Jesus.